Hello everyone, welcome to GKToday. Today in this video, we are going to discuss some most important facts about UNESCO World Heritage Site. So first of all, we will understand what is a World Heritage Site. A World Heritage Site is a place that is recognized by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization as of distinctive cultural or physical importance, which is considered of outstanding values to humanity. UNESCO strives to encourage the conservation, identification and maintenance of natural and cultural World Heritage Sites around the world. At present, there are 40 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India, in which Dholavira and Ramappa temples are the latest addition to the list under the cultural category. There are two more categories, they are natural and mixed. Out of this, 32 sites are in cultural, 7 are natural and 1 is mixed, that is matching both the cultural and natural characteristics. And 46 sites of India are still on the UNESCO World Heritage tentative list. Now coming towards our first question, which is the first World Heritage Site in India? The answer is Agra Fort. Agra Fort, also known as Lal Killa, is located in Agra, India. It is tagged as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1983. The fort is about 2.5 kilometers far from the Taj Mahal. Now the next question, which country has the highest World Heritage Sites? The answer is China and Italy. China and Italy have the highest number of World Heritage Sites, both with 55 entries. Now the next question, which state in India has the highest UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Currently, Maharashtra has a total of 5 UNESCO World Heritage Sites and this number is highest among all states and UTs in India. The state includes Ajanta Caves, Ellora Caves, Elephanta Caves, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus and the Victoria Gothic and Art Deco buildings of South Mumbai. Now the next question, which city of India has been declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site recently? The answer is Dholavira of Gujarat. The first of ancient Indus Valley civilization is the 40th UNESCO site which was added recently in the list. It was inscribed in July 2021. Now the next question, how many World Heritage Sites are there in India in 2022? There are 40 World Heritage Sites located in India. These includes 32 cultural sites, 7 natural sites and 1 mixed criteria site. Now our next question, how many intangible cultural sites are there in India? The National ICH list has more than 100 elements. It also includes the 13 elements of India that have already been inscribed on the UNESCO representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity. So this is all about the topic. If you like it, then do comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.